Ready? Cut. All right, turn. March. Left, right, left, right, left.
I just want to welcome everyone and thank you for coming out to participate. The Navy is very, very proud to be a part of this program, and programs like SeaPerch spark the ideas and innovation that are going to create those jobs. So we definitely want to make sure that we support our young people in their endeavors.
Jorge Ramos. I'm from Barton Elementary School and Long Beach Unified School District. The SeaPerch program is it's a good opportunity for our students to start thinking about STEM careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Our students had an opportunity to build their own ROV, and actually we built 2 of them, and so they got to learn about a little bit about engineering. They got to build their own control box, so they got most of them soldered for the first time. Just cutting the PVC pipes, giving them that hands-on experience for them to get something excited about and to start thinking at an early age, because they're in elementary school, 5th graders, to start thinking now about careers that involve STEM. So that's what's exciting to us, is that they have this opportunity.
Thank you, U.S. Navy!
Delta gravity times height.
Your name and school, please?
My name's Liam Valianasili, and I'm from Tincher.
Thank you. And what about you?
My name's Ryan Lee from Tincher.
Ryan here was in charge of soldering the wires together, and I was in charge of putting the structure on. So we kind of had to test all the different materials, and as you can see here, we have 2 different types of netting. This is the one that really comes with the SeaPerch kit that we get.
How confident are you guys with your robot?
I'm pretty confident.
Yeah?
Because we tested these 3 times
at different pools.
Yeah, different pools.
Hello, my name is Rudy Laura. I'm the lead judge here for the U.S. Navy SeaPerch underwater robotics competition. So far, the students that I've been testing through the oral and post have been doing wonderful. One did a perfect score on their oral presentation.
My name's Gerardo Rochin.
And school?
Southgate Middle School.
Awesome. So, are you nervous about the competition?
Sort of, but I'm not the driver. It's not pretty much the pressure on me.
I see you guys made 2 robots. Why 2?
For starters, we had originally thought of a new design, since this is our 3rd year actually doing SeaPerch.
Wow.
So we actually wanted to do a different design than the original.
You can tell we stuck with the basic design. The only thing that is different is that the top one over here allows the vehicle to either submerge or float.
Wow. What school are you from?
Madrid Middle School.
Madrid Middle School. Wow.
Gregory the Great Catholic School.
Congratulations.
Your name? And
Chief Skaggs, so Gary Skaggs.
what is that impact that you see students are having when they get involved in these kinds of competitions?
So some of the impacts that I see, the big things are it's just the kids working together. When I say kids, I mean we have elementary to high schoolers that compete in this competition. It's really amazing to see how much brainstorming goes around.
How can organizations or individuals get a little more involved in supporting this type of competition? Because I know this is regional.
Right, so this is regional. So the big thing, we have businesses that get involved, obviously universities. It's a win-win situation, and at least in my eyes. For the universities, there's the potential students that they're going to have. As for the corporations, the businesses, I mean, you're looking at they're going to have employees that are going to be, with the latest and greatest technologies.
What is the Navy's ultimate goal in supporting these students and these kind of robotic competitions?
So I think one of our main goals is, to make it aware that the Navy isn't just about going out and fighting in a war, or we give back to the communities. Speaking for the, as a sailor, we're so heavy in the technologies. I'm a prior fire controlman. I dealt with computer weapon systems. Technology was in my back pocket, and we're constantly going forward with our technologies, and we're doing more with less. And the more that you can do automated, you're kind of taking out the sailor or the individual out of harm's way, so to speak.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm Chief Petty Officer Kelly Fernandez. I've been in the Navy for just under 21 years. I'm actually retiring May 31st. And so I was fortunate enough to, for my final tour, get stationed back here in California, where I'm from. I grew up in Anaheim. To work with this new program called Navy City Outreach. And our big program is the SeaPerch program, where we had currently 35 schools in the Southern California, well, actually like Long Beach, LA, and Orange counties. And we have a good mixture of different diversity and stuff like that. And these kids, basically, the Navy sponsors this program, provides them with some kits that they put together and they build and go through the process, and then culminate it with this regional competition. I've worked with some great people in this position. My boss is Lieutenant Commander Hahn. He did a great job, putting this program together and everything. And I worked with some civilian counterparts. Rudy Loera, he's a Cal State LA / USC alumni, and he worked for Northrop Grumman for many years. And he does a lot to help me get schools that are interested in, to make sure the program thrives and does well. So he's been integral in making this program a success. Cal State LA saved us this year because we were not funded to do this competition, but fortunately they opened up their arms and said, hey, we'll sponsor it, we'll provide you with a space, a venue, and they've just been fantastic. So we could not have done it without Cal State LA and all their crew and all their volunteers. We had Society of Women Engineers out here, we had some Navy divers, we had Naval Recruiting District Los Angeles that came out. So without them, without the volunteers, obviously we wouldn't have been able to pull this off either. And then the teachers. I mean, these teachers don't have to do this. A lot of them are taking their after school time, they're taking away from their families and their time with their families to really help out these students and teach them about STEM and really just provide them with something extra to do. So that without the teachers' support, this program wouldn't be as good as it is.